Hi there everyone, Andy here from Wearside Youth for Christ, and welcome to another little assembly. We have got a little bit of a game for you. It's called the Jelly Baby Leap of Death. Yes, I know you might be thinking what on earth is going on, but this is how it works, okay? In pairs, we are going to flick a jelly baby off a spoon and the other person has to catch it in a cup. So basically the jelly baby is going to be flying through the air and we're going to try and catch it with a cup. The team with the most catches of jelly babies in the time allowed wins the game. So is it going to be me and Lauren, or is it going to be Laura and Kirby? Who do you think's going to win? Let's find out. 3, 2, 1, go, go! Oh, where? Oh, one's in. Yeah! Oh, my God! One's in. Yes, one's in. Go away. Yes, come on. Yes, come on! The winner! It's here!
Right, I hope you all enjoyed that game. I certainly had fun playing that, and I'm delighted to say that John and I won that one. Yes. So, Jelly Baby Leap of Faith. Why were we firing jelly babies and trying to catch them? What has that got to do with the Bible and Jesus and what we always talk to you about? Well, the word I really want you to think about today is this word, faith. I want you to think about that word, faith. Because the story I'm going to tell you today is a really well-known story, and lots of you have probably already heard it. It's about a little boy, and this little boy's name is David, and he showed incredible faith in God. He completely trusted him, because you see, David had older brothers who were fighting in the Israelite army, and they were fighting against a group of people, and a people called the Philistines. Now, they had a champion fighter who was absolutely enormous, and his name was Goliath. He was over 9 feet tall, and what happened was the Israelites were camped on one hill, the Philistines were camped on another, and each day the Goliath would come out from the Philistine camp, and he would come out and he would shout, "Who will fight me?" Do you know what? All of the Israelites were terrified. Nobody wanted to fight him. Nobody at all. And he would stand and he would boom his big laugh. Who will fight me? And do you know what? What happened was David went to his brothers because he was taking them food. And when he got there, he saw what Goliath was doing. He saw him come out and challenge the Israelites, and he said, "Send out your best fighter, come and fight me. If your guy wins, then we'll surrender to you. But if I win, you will surrender to us." And this had gone on for days and weeks. And everybody in the Israelite camp were, "I can't fight you." And they were petrified. And when David got there, he was only a boy. And he couldn't believe that the Israelites, that nobody would go out and fight Goliath. This is the little boy who was saying this. He was embarrassed of them. They're like, "What are you doing? Why won't you go out and fight them?" And all the soldiers were looking at David going, "Fight him. Have you seen the size of him? He's massive. Of course we're not going to fight him. Nobody's got a chance." And David looked at them. He said, "You know what? God's on our side." So David went to the king and said, "I'll fight Goliath." The king got such a, "What? You can't fight him, you're a boy." So the king eventually, after David had talked to him and tried to persuade him, he said, "All right, then you'll have to wear my armour." Well, the king put his armour on David, and David was weighed down. And he couldn't move in it. There was no way he was going to be able to fight. So David said, "I don't need that. I have God on my side. I trust in God. My faith is in him. He's the one who's going to give us the victory today." So the king sent David out. David went out with a sling, and he went and picked up 5 pebbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pebbles. And he went out and he stood in front of Goliath. And Goliath came out and he looked down at David and he just laughed the most horrendous laugh. And he said, am I a dog that you come at me with sticks? He thought it was a joke. He couldn't believe that the Israelite army had sent out David. And David stood and he said, I come in the name of the Lord. And Goliath couldn't believe. He was too busy laughing and he thought it was a joke. He was insulted that they'd sent out a boy. David put one stone in his sling and he flung it around his head and he got up the speed and he let go of this stone. And the Bible tells us that this stone flew out and hit Goliath between his eyes and it sunk into his head and Goliath fell down dead. Unbelievable. The Philistines couldn't believe it because their champion was dead and the Israelites couldn't believe it that David had won. But it wasn't really just David who'd won. It was God. God had given David that faith to trust in him to go, do you know what? You can do all things in my strength. You can do everything when I'm on your side. You trusted in me. You had faith in me. And I've given you the victory. Now that story of David and Goliath always encourages my heart, always reminds me to trust in Jesus. And as a Christian, I believe that when I trust in Jesus, I can do amazing things. And I put my faith in him, just like David did. So I hope you enjoyed that game, and I hope that this week you think about, where do you put your faith? Who is it that you are trusting in for your strength and your encouragement? Have an amazing week. Hope to see you soon. Bye.